Buying the best product on the market can be challenging, and well, that's why we are here to help you. And these are our recommendations for the best 5 products on the market. Remember to check out the description below for more information and its prices. This Cuisinart GR-300 WS comes with 2 plates that can be used closed with the food in between or separate, and then the cooking surface is larger. Each plate is about 11 by 12 inches, which is about 132 square inches each. If you use it to open, the total is around 240 effective cooking area square inches. The height of the unit makes it hard to fully open it. It will hit the top kitchen cabinets. One complaint was about the heating element in the plates. He thought that was why his grill sandwich was a little burned at those spots. Although the plates are dishwasher safe on the top rack, most people prefer to wash them by hand. They are scared that the dishwasher will ruin the nonstick surface, but I cannot find any proof of that. As always, be aware of what you do when you unpack the product and try to use it as quickly as possible. The return policy period is over faster than you think. As such, this Cuisinart GR-300 WS Griddler Elite Grill with its stainless steel is a good buy. The Hamilton Beach Searing Grill is a perfect indoor replacement for an outdoor grill. It won't smoke up your space, there's no fuel to have to mess around with, and it's also ready to use right out of the box. Turn this grill dial to sear, and when it reaches the high heat searing temperature of 450 degrees after about 3 minutes, a green light will glow. That's your signal to throw on your steaks, burgers, pork chops, or fish fillets and cook them to perfection. That's what our tester did in a small apartment kitchen. After leaving them on the grill for a few minutes, the burgers came off with nice sear marks, though they were slightly overcooked. The romaine lettuce test was hard to handle. This grill sat high on the user's counter, and when it came to taking the lettuce off, the leverage was off, and it slipped out of the tongs. Cleanup afterward was extremely easy. Once cooled, the hood, plate, and drip tray are removable and dishwasher safe. During our test, the lid kept any smoke and heat in the grill. The grill is bulky, so you will need dedicated storage space. The grill surface is one of the most important things to know when you think of buying an indoor electric grill. Room in a kitchen is always something you have to fight with. The grill surface dimensions are 14.9 by 9.4 inches, providing a grill surface of around 140 square inches. With a rule of thumb that you need about 70 square inches per person, this means there's enough space of the grill for 2 people, including their vegetables and meats. You can cook a lot more. This is where most people use an indoor grill. It will easily fit 4 or 5 hamburgers at the same time. Cooking meat and veggies during the same time are only for 2 people, however. The temperature is the second thing you should look at. And according to the specifications, the DeLonghi BGR-50 can be adjusted between 200 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a warm hold function to keep your food warm while you do some other things. We found a table that showed the temperatures someone measured for each of the settings in Fahrenheit. Cleaning is something most of us are not too crazy about, which is why it is important to have a good look at that. The unit is dishwasher safe without the cord and the attached temperature thermostat. Hand washing is very easy to do and does not involve a lot of elbow grease. Make sure to dry the socket where the control unit plugs in. Water in that hole can cause problems and make your breaker trip. The drip tray is just as large as the whole unit, and even with cooking bacon, there is no problem of overflowing. The 2 sides of the plates are ribbed and flat. The ribbed side is perfect for meat, vegetables, and fish, and the flat side is great for eggs, bacon, omelets, and sandwiches. Both plates are heavy-duty die-cast aluminum and have an embedded heating element. The Gotham Steel Smokeless Indoor Grill is a high-quality indoor grilling appliance that allows you to enjoy delicious grilled foods without the hassle of outdoor grilling. This nonstick indoor grill features a ceramic coating and adjustable heating, allowing you to perfectly grill your favorite foods. It's electric and smokeless, making it a great choice for indoor grilling. The grill's innovative design ensures that excess smoke and grease are captured in a special tray, preventing them from escaping into your home and leaving behind unwanted odors. The grill's ceramic coating is free of PTFE, PFOA, and other harmful toxins, ensuring your food is safe and healthy. The adjustable heating allows you to customize the temperature to your desired level, ensuring your food is cooked to your liking. The Gotham Steel Smokeless Indoor Grill comes with a dishwasher-safe, removable grill plate, making cleanup quick and easy. The grill's compact size makes it perfect for use in small kitchens, apartments, and other spaces where outdoor grilling is not an option. The Gotham Steel Smokeless Indoor Grill is an excellent investment for anyone who loves to grill food but wants to enjoy it from their home. With its non-stick surface, adjustable heating, and easy-to-clean design, this indoor grill is a must-have for any home cook. The Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Grill is a versatile appliance that allows you to grill and griddle your favorite foods with ease. With its removable grid and griddle plates, non-stick cooking surfaces, and glass lid, this grill is perfect for year-round indoor cooking. The Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Grill features a powerful 1500-watt heating element that heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring your food is always perfectly cooked. The grill's non-stick cooking surfaces prevent food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. The Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Grill is designed to be smokeless, with a built-in fan that extracts smoke and odors, making it perfect for indoor use. The grill also features a removable drip tray that collects excess grease and fat, making it easy to dispose of and preventing messes on your countertop. With its large 21 by 15.4 inch cooking surface, the Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Grill is perfect for cooking a variety of foods, including burgers, steaks, vegetables, and more. The grill is also easy to disassemble and clean, with removable plates that can be washed in the dishwasher. It's a great investment for anyone who loves to grill and griddle their favorite foods indoors. This grill is a must-have for any home cook with its non-stick cooking surfaces, glass lid, and smokeless design. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.